Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Malik Technical. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Malik Technical. Today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is Sunny Leone Token, and this is the world's first Bollywood celebrities themed coin. Sunny Leone becomes the first Indian celebrity to create on crypto. Today I am going to show you how you can generate a huge profit by buying their tokens from their pre-sale, and how we can add their tokens in our wallet, and how we can buy their token from their site by connecting their site in our wallet. So we also discuss about the biggest announcement that they offered for their holders, which is very big and amazing offer. So you can buy their tokens from their pre-sale, and how we'll be able to get a chance to win the big offer that they announce about their project. So before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my videos first. First of all, if you want to get more information and details, you need to download their white paper. So I also give the link of the white paper in my video description, and you can also find out by clicking in the white paper. So we discuss about the white paper of this coin. First, you can see their introduction. Secondly, welcome to S. Leone Little Love Big Dream. Then transparency. Then community. Then you can see their trust, longevity, and tokenomics. Firstly, we can discuss the introduction of Sunny Leone coin. Field launched in October 2021, Sunny Leone is the fastest growing cryptocurrency of kind, as Leone is fully decentralized and on a mission to bring popular cryptocurrency concept to the mainstream in one easy to understand project. Then we discuss welcome to S. Leone Little Love Big Dream. Sunny Leone coin was created in September 2021 with the goal of being a decentralized meme project with true purpose. S. Leone's mission is to bring popular cryptocurrency concept to the mainstream. Unlike older comparable project, S. Leone introduces holders to next-gen concepts such as frictionless yield, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, and more. Then we discuss transparency. We maintain open communication with our holders so that they can stay current and informed with every step of S. Leone growth. Then we discuss community. Ultimately, S. Leone is owned by the community, meaning we encourage group efforts related to marketing development, community management, and more. Trust. In the cryptocurrency market, trust is paramount. That means not only providing transparency but also security related to holder funds. Examples include audits of S. Leone's code and liquidity tokens being burned to eliminate risk of malicious behavior. Then we discuss longevity. As Leone is in it for the long haul, our plans are for long-term development of the ecosystem, which result in a fruitful investment beyond any temporary trends. This is the white paper, so we discuss about the other thing that they offered, and they give the big announce and big rewards at the end of their pre-sale. See here, you can see that this is the tokenomics about Sunny Leone coin. Total supply is 100 million. Public pre-sale part first is 10 million. Public pre-sale part 2 is 15 million. Burn is 50 million. So after this, you can see their contract address. If you want to add their token, you need to copy their contract address to find and add their tokens in wallet. So after this, we can discuss about their roadmaps. Phase 1, birth. Marketing push to spread awareness. Website launch, 5,000 Telegram members. Meme development, Sunny Leone coin is born. Phase 2 crawl. Influencer marketing push, listing on CoinGecko, listing on CoinMarketCap, 15,000 Telegram members, 5,000 holders, third party audit. Phase 3 is fork. 10,000 holders, 25,000 Telegram members, airdrop, a large influencer marketing push. Phase 4 run. 50,000 holders, S. Leone's website resign. Then we discuss phase 5 jump. 1 lakh holders, release NFT marketplace, NFT collection and NFT game, give away surprise to promote campaign of S. Leone at $100 M market cap. Phase 6 is Mon. Holders is mentioned here. S. Leone at $1 B market cap to the moon. Then we discuss important announcement for Burn event. Burn event 2010-2021 7 a.m. UTC 12:30 p.m. IST. You can also visit their website, which is www.sunnyleonecoin.com. Attention please, we are launching directly on Hotbit exchange. Do not try to buy or sell on PancakeSwap exchange. We will not going on PancakeSwap. Hotbit is being trading platform for all our respected community. We also discuss about tokenomics. We can discuss it, contract address. This can also discuss it. So at the end of my video, I recommend you all to subscribe and follow their social medias. If you want to buy their tokens, or if you want to invest, or if you have interest to invest in their sites, so you need to follow their social medias. So again, thanks to see my